Um, Hi. Thank you so much for clicking on this video.
It's gonna be awesome.
In this video, me and him made slime. It was rough, but it's fine. We made some pretty dope stuff, even though I'm just gonna throw it away. Okay, so first things first, we have to look up a slime recipe. Which one do we want to make first?
What do you mean?
The fluffy one or the clear one?
We should make the fluffy one first.
Okay.
Dudes, I'm ready for this. I've never really made good slime. The last slime I made was like really sticky and I couldn't like even play with it. I don't know. This is gonna be a good slime we're gonna be making.
What does it say about the borax?
Here, shaving cream. We got two just to be sure. And this big thing got stuff like glow in the dark things and foam beads to put them in, which, alright, like, cool. You know what?
A lot of time.
Glue. We might want to wash that.
Now we're gonna put in this one. Hand me that.
Let me see which colors are there.
Red, green, yellow, blue.
Blue. Wait, what about the baking soda?
Oh, you're right.
You know what I mean? Oh, okay. Fluffy slime.
I can already feel it. Look. Chonky.
These two?
Yeah. Okay.
Here we go.
We're editing this video and it's only 7 minutes and 26 seconds, and I strive to make all of my videos 10 minutes long, so he's gonna do something. I don't know. He's flossing, I
I'm gonna
guess.
sing a song.
Okay, go.
There's a target on my chest, I need a bulletproof vest. I'm going into battle on my own, and I've got no other choice, else I'm gonna be destroyed in the middle of this firestorm. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. The summer doesn't go with me, and still I don't belong. Whoa, oh, oh, this is the day of the battle. This is the day of the battle. For life, I'm fighting fire with fire. Coming out of the shadows. For life, we've got bullets, we got shields. As we're running through the fields, never knew that I could love so much. And I've
Okay, so we decided to dance to fill the rest of the time, and as you know, I can't put in music because copyright, so enjoy us being weird for the next 3 minutes. I don't know. You don't even, I mean, honestly, click off this video. I'm sorry. Okay, so we didn't make an intro or an outro, so that's what we're doing now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then click another video or go on my channel and look for another video. Subscribe if you liked it, leave a like if you liked it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Subscribe.
I said that.